Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be making something to scare birds away from the window because my mum keeps waking up in the middle of the night. So I'm going to make a thing to scare all the birds away. So let's get to it, guys. Okay, I'm back, guys. I've got all this stuff and now I'm going to put them together. So let's get into a time lapse. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. I made this thing. Sadly, I couldn't use that because it broke. But I'm going to put it somewhere and then I'm going to see if it works. Come on, guys. We're going to find out if this stops the bird from doing it. Okay, I'm going to put you down. And now I'm going to go put this up. And let's see if that works to scare it away. Woo! See you in a bit after I get the footage of it hopefully scaring away the bird or not. So guys, sadly, I don't know if I managed to scare away the bird or not, but I did catch a magpie, so I think it's worth it. I think it was worth setting up the cam. If you watched my first video, I have tried to catch a bird on camera before. This is my first time actually catching a bird on camera. Hey, look, it's my cat! So, I'm gonna start time-lapse of footage until we get to that bird. Let's start this time-lapse. Bang! Goodbye. If you liked this video, you should try my other video, which is also bird related.